Okay,
Hopefully we
this
don't mess
is Maddie Schlemmer, Ryan Arment, and Aaron Skelly.
Neurons begin polarized at resting potential. The neuron is net negative on the inside with potassium ions and positive sodium ions on the outside. Depolarization at the dendrites is where chemicals land on the dendrites and sodium ions rush in and the potassium ions move out, changing the net negative neuron to be more positive. If enough sodium ions rush in and make the net charge less negative, threshold will occur and the positive sodium ions start moving down. The axon. Once the threshold is met, an action potential or electric charge will occur and there is no going back from there. The axon goes through depolarization where sodium ions go through the axon and it becomes more positive. As the sodium goes in, the potassium leaves and the myelin sheath speeds the neural impulse during action potential. Saltatory conduction helps speed up the process where the sodium ions jump from node to node in the myelin sheath instead of going through every gate. Once the sodium ions reach the terminal end of the axon, their neurotransmitters or chemicals are released into the synapse, and the chemicals go and land on the next neuron dendrite. The chemicals are then absorbed or destroyed by an enzyme in the synapse, and the neuron goes through refraction where it goes back to the normal polarized state with sodium ions on the outside and potassium on the inside.